Three masked gunmen today entered a bank branch in Anantnag district of South Kashmir, looted cash at gunpoint. Bank officials said that they are ascertaining the exact amount of cash taken by the gunmen. They said that 3 to 4 masked gunmen entered the Jammu and Kashmir bank branch at Arvini in Anantnag district and decamped with cash from the premises. Police is investigating the matter. Meanwhile, the masked men have been caught on a CCTV footage in which they are clearly seen looting cash on gunpoint. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.